Hello all, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Google Stadia. Google recently announced a cloud-based gaming platform named Stadia at GDC 2019 Game Developer Conference. Stadia is capable of streaming video games in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second with HDR support. Google uses numerous data centers across the globe to power its all-new cloud-based gaming platform Stadia. This platform, you can play or try on games on single click on YouTube. For using this amazing game streaming service, you always need a Google Chrome support enabled device and an internet connection. Along with the game streaming service, Google added a new member to its hardware family, a Google Game Controller manufactured by Google with direct Wi-Fi link to the data centers for game controlling. This Stadia controller identifies on which display that you are playing games and give you the best experience for game controlling. Stadia controller also comes with two buttons, one for enabling Google Assistant and another for capturing game video. Talking about technical stuff, on the hardware stack we have custom 2.7 GHz hyper-threaded x86 CPU with AVX2 SIMD and 9.5 MB L2 plus L3 cache, custom AMD GPU with HBM2 memory and 56 compute units capable of 10.7 teraflops, 16 GB of RAM up to 484 GB per second of performance, SSD cloud storage. On software stack, we have Linux, Debian version of the world's most popular open source operating system. In addition, Stadia also provides the cloud game development for the developers. You can also check out link in the description below. This is all for today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can either comment in comment box or mail us at nur2var@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can see the links here. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe.